Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol AERC. Just looking at some of the recent news stories here from yesterday saying Aeroclean shares plummet after a meteoric rise following IPO. It says shares of Aeroclean Technologies plunged more than 70% in early trading on Tuesday, continuing their wild ride since last week's initial public offering. It says the Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, maker of air purifying devices, saw a nearly eightfold rise in its stock price on Wednesday to close at $78.94 after it sold around 251 shares at $2.51 million shares at $10 a piece in its IPO. I'm guessing that's supposed to be 2.5 million shares because they definitely didn't share 2.5 or sell 2.51 shares. So it says on Monday, the close was 117.35, more than 1,000% above the IPO price. So let's take a look here at some of that price action, and here you can see it even on the 15-minute chart here. Crazy movement. At the start of this chart, the price was around $40, and then it ripped all the way up to $120, and then a huge move down to $14. Geez, that is a massive collapse there. A massive run-up and a massive collapse. After that move down to 41, it rallied up a bit, and now it's kind of just going straight sideways into regular trading hours today. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame. And yeah, in the 1 hour time frame, you can see this thing was just ripping in this crazy uptrend. Then there's the nasty move down, and same kind of thing here on the 1 hour. You just kind of get a picture of it bouncing off of 1431 and then going sideways. And now these candles into aftermarket yesterday and pre-market today have really small bodies, not a lot of movement going on. Let's check out the daily chart. So yeah, on the daily chart, there's really nothing here, just because it's only been trading for 5 days, so you can't really see much of a trend or anything, but you do see, of course, these three candles showing that massive move in price up to, 120 or so, and then, yeah, yesterday, extremely ugly candle here. Although the daily chart is, pretty crappy representation there. Looking here on the 15-minute, I guess this is probably the best time frame to be looking at key levels and stuff. You can see the bounce off of 1431. Then it rallied up all the way to about $28, and then it pulled back. It seems to be holding around this $20 level since it rallied up to 28 or so. Then it started to die off, but it hasn't went below this $20 level. You can see it touched pretty close to this $20 level here, and it's just hovering just above that. You can see it's at 22.39 right now. So to the downside, I would keep an eye on that, because if it falls through the $20 level, you can see a low here of 14.31. So I would think it would probably go down there and test that. And then to the upside, that $28 level I think is key, as it died off and 14.31, and then it ripped up to 28. It couldn't get through that level, and now it's pulled back significantly from that level. So I definitely keep an eye on 28 to the upside. I think if this thing can start to rally again and close above 28, let me zoom out a bit here. There's nothing really above that. Going way up in price. You can see a little bit of a bounce here off of 66 or 67. But yeah, once you get 28, you just kind of have a lot of open space there on the chart. I guess you can see the start of this chart. The price was around 39 or so. But I think there's going to be a lot of room to run up there if this thing can get above 28. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker AERC, or Aeroclean Technologies. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.